fiber of the wind.
Cruising slow on a sunlit street, leather seats where the cool cats meet, Bon Camino with a timeless way, rolling forward in a golden...
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, how y'all doing? I'd like to introduce you to somebody I've been knowing for dang, almost 20 years close. That's crazy. I met him when he was like 18, fresh out of the high school. And then I kind of knew him before then because I worked with his mom, kind of, to some capacity. Yeah, that's my boy Cheddy. There, he's helping me. Well, he's doing all the work, and I'm going to take all of the credit. Even though it's on film and y'all see him doing it, I'm going to take the credit, obviously. Right? I don't deserve that kind of credit. Like, come on now. I've been like making halfway decent videos for a while. So like, let me like look, I know somebody going to comment, but look, somebody might not comment because y'all don't like, sometimes y'all like commenting. I'll be sad. But it's cool. It's cool. Maybe I need to film a more compelling video, I think. I need more drama, like put the drama music on it and then say, hey, we're going to lose the shop. But it's not a shop, it's a garage. But yeah, y'all, we're trying to get this thing here done and all that good stuff. He's taping that out so we can cut the little thingy on the thing. You know, all the stuff that I was saying we were going to do. Yes, he's going to, because he's been actually, the funny thing is, I haven't caught him in my comment section because I kind of wait for him too. I was kind of talking about him in front of himself, behind his back, but in his face. You know, he'll send me DMs. I'd be like, bro, you know, I got a whole comment section that can like really like, you know, appreciate this kind of action. You know, some words there. Because sometimes I'll be looking up, like, please, somebody say anything. Call me a loser, anything. I don't care. Tell me about how fat I sound when I'm in the video breathing hard. I'm obese. Forgive me. I would do something about it, but it hurts to walk. Anyway, we're getting this done. You know, he's taping that out, making a plan. He's going to be using that cutoff wheel, but he's going to use the gloves because he's better than me. Not that he thinks he's better than me. It's because he is better than me when it comes to stuff like that. Because I hate cutting wheels. See that cutoff wheel? Those scare me. I watched Final Destination too many times. Each of the ones that came out, and they all scared me, and they make me think everything is a potential murderer. And so, yeah, I'm cool. But anyway, he is now taping that out, getting that figured out. We kind of had to trim a piece that she added to the bracket because I realized we didn't need it. So, for what we're going to be actually trying to attempt. So, anyway, let me zoom in over there. See, we cut that off. Anyway, I gotta check and see if this is actually got sound because sometimes these mics don't pick up sound. So I'll punch back in a minute, and some of this I won't even use. Since I installed this, right, I'm scared. I don't know how scared he is, but since I did it, I'm gonna go and hook this up to the camera thingy, and then let you do your thingy, and I'm gonna hide, okay? Because I know you're scared too, right? Yeah, you gonna double check it? You know what? Just double check it now. Just double check it now on camera so they'll see. We try to follow some kind of safety procedures around here.
We definitely did.
Okay, and then let's
Unplugged.
see. Oh yeah. I put that shield on. She didn't like the shield, but I like the shield because it just screams safety. And you can put them gloves on because those little. That's why I don't like it too. That little sparkies. Oh, them sparkies feel like fire.
Can we back this off a little bit so I can see the front edge? I think you can, right?
Yeah, with the little thingy. Where did I just put the Allen thingy? Oh, the Allen wrench is right there. The Allen thingy's right there. You can change the direction of the thingy, and then thingy, and then do the thingy.
Just want to be able to index a little bit with whatever it is I'm doing.
Then I'll get y'all some of that action because I know everybody likes to watch B-roll. And this has been a lot of talking, and I know nobody likes the talking. It's just like waiting for the watching one of those corn videos, and then you gotta wait for people to have dialogue. Yeah, I wouldn't watch the corn videos with dialogue either. No. Okay, so he's gonna do the scary stuff, and I'm gonna go and we'll be back.
So it looks like
Sweet corn.
I want to see how far this is there. Somewhere to that degree. Yeah. I guess I want above the tape. I guess I want more space than less space. I'll cut above the tape all the way around. It'll be easier. It'll give us a little more room. It'll give us a straight line right there. We'll just worry about the sides and then down on the end. We don't have to worry about it fitting up top. So we're gonna make a cut. Let's go. That angle because it'll chip. It's still better.
What this sound like?
Sweet corn.
I'm not getting lucky. There we go.
All right.
All right. I want to give a special shout out to my chair. You've been through things. 5 videos, maybe 7. You might be able to use this for we might be able to use this for some metal.
Might be able to. We'll figure something out.
Figure something out.
All right.
He did that. You know it. But I did something. Y'all saw me do something that, look, like the last few videos, since I had the camera, I couldn't show you what I was doing, but I did something. Challenge.
All right. So we got our part cut. Just gonna take the tape off. Yeah, it's on.
Okay, my bad. Yeah, my bad.
I'm gonna take the tape off, and then I'm gonna try to fit this part before we tack everything in. That way we don't have to do double the work.
Yeah, because I know that was like a spur of the moment idea, but I was thinking, yeah, just, it looked like, yeah.
Nope. I'm gonna fit here.
Ooh, there we go. Starting to look like the future.
Right there.
Oh, that looks like the future. The future is now. Hell yeah. And where the skin at the top?
Right here like this. Like this. I had it sitting good earlier. Get it even out. We're gonna put our tackles in and make sure that everything's nice, but kind of beat it to shape. Get it in, but it'll look good. It doesn't want to sit for me right now, but. The snatch video and then to the grinding, or what do you want me to do?
I don't know.
What did he say?
That was a hell of a Paul statement, though, but,
No, I was just
it
saying.
was kind of like,
No, I mean, come on, my boy.
Pause.
My boy, this
Pause.
is, I didn't realize we needed to do
Pause.
that. I didn't realize we needed to do
Yeah,
that.
you said, just listen to the words you said. I think we got to replay it for the crowd.
Nah, my boy.
Pause. Oh, okay. So, what we got to do what? First thing we got to do what?
So we got to clean the shop up.
Clean it.
The shop up got to get clean, but that's what I'm saying. You want to get,
What's wrong with it?
what are you talking about?
It's a method to my madness. Like, I like this organization. You might not, you see this as disorganized, right? And messy, right? Because my wife does it all the time, right? But I see it as organized. Like, I see where everything is. Because if I put it in a drawer, now I got to look for it.
Yeah, but you know when the sheriff comes to town, she's going to put us out. She's going to tell, we're going to have to work out there. You want to work out there?
Not really. Not really, because they tow cars. So,
Because you know who the real
okay,
boss
well,
is.
let's clean up a little bit then. All right, guys, I'm gonna put y'all on the stand, and then I'll put us on a time lapse because Mr. Cleanup wants to clean the shop up. Thank you. I'll punch you in later.
You'll thank me later.
All right. All right, y'all.
No.
I know we ended the video at our place, which is inside the crib, but my boy tired. He got two little young daughters to take care of. So anyway, let him know about your channel and what you're gonna plan on doing because he's like check him out.
Man, I got a project coming, so just kind of keep an eye out here. You can check me out on YouTube, Cheddy Whopper 562.
A snatch video and then to the grinding, or what do you want me to do?
I don't know.
What did he say? Come on, man.
Sometimes I get into it there, but I'm gonna kind of pick up my pace and put some more stuff out there. So stay tuned.
All right, y'all. Thanks for watching and all that good stuff. I'm gonna let him go home so he can. So his wife go beat me up. All right.